Okay, so let's take a further look at lists and dictionaries by taking a look at how we can add items in ahead of time. So if we already know what our items are going to be for our list, we can pretty much just kind of add them at the start, and the way we do that is using curly braces. So go ahead and type list, and then our greater than less than symbol, and then we're just going to type in string for this one, and we're going to go attributes equals new list open close parentheses, and inside of here we're going to go with a string. Now notice I'm doing open and close curly braces here with a semicolon at the end. I didn't put the semicolon here. So what I can do within this is just simply write a couple attributes. So I can say he's got health, and for the sake of time I'm only going to add one more attribute, and that's mana. So after this list, what I can do is I'm going to do my debug .log, and I'm just going to write the name in index 0 space is plus sign. I'm going to copy attributes, zero. Okay, and then I can copy this again, change this to a 1, change this to a 1, or yeah, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Let's see how that works. So you can see the name in index 0 is health, and the name in index 1 is mana. So again, this is a way of adding to a list if we already know what's in there. So let's copy all of this and just convert it into a dictionary from what we already know. So we know a dictionary is like a list, except we can give it an ID. Okay. So first of all, we need to give it a data type of. We need to give it pass in 2 parameters. So one is the ID, and then what is the data type that we want to store. And then we need to identify it as a dictionary. And if I'm going too fast, just periodically pause the video and just look at what I'm doing. Alright, so there we go. We've created a dictionary here that's going to store in elements. Now what you'll notice here is we still have the same opening and closing curly braces, but what I have to do is I have to contain each one of these within its own curly brace. So I'm going to contain each one, keep my comma. Now if you remember from the last video where we covered dictionaries, we need to give each one an index number. So I'm going to do 0, comma, and then this one is at 1, comma. And what I'm going to do here is it says the name in the key 0 is, and the name in key 1 is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save this off. Alright, looks like there's no errors. I might have to give, oh that's right. So we can't have two lists or dictionary. We can't have both of them with the same type. So I'm just going to name this DICT, copy this, and I'm just going to write over this. Alright, so let's press play, and we should get 4. There we go. Health, and then we get in key 0 is health, and key 1 is mana.